Hey there! So I want to show you, by default, built into the Chromebooks, is the screencasting tool. Now you can see it right here in my tray, and this may or may not work completely just because I'm actively using it on the Chromebook. But I can access the screencast tool, again, if you don't have it in your tray, by going to your App Center and selecting Screencast. Now, when when I first open it, this is what I get. Here are some tutorials that are available to you to show you how to use the tool. But what's really nice is, of course, you'll see this new screencast is grayed out for me because I'm actively using the screencasting tool right now. What's really nice about this is when I'm screencasting, I have the ability to utilize a pen. And so I can turn on the pen feature and write on my screen, or I can turn it off real quick, which is great as well, so it goes away. And then as I'm working on instructional material, or as a student demonstrating mastery of learning, my understanding of learning, I can demonstrate these pieces that I've done by highlighting different points. And so what's really nice is that I can go to any site, I can open up any of the apps that are accessible on this screen, and I can screencast, so I can demonstrate my understanding of learning, attach it to my Google slide deck where I have my answers and then how I worked it out, or I can add it into my Google Classroom or my Schoology Classroom to demonstrate learning. And so what's really nice, the idea of screencasting is that you can see an authentic response from each user, or pairs of users that connect on this. You can see their face right here, so you know they're doing the work and it's not somebody else doing the work. And you can see that what's happening within the screen. So this is a great tool to, again, promote the authentic work as an ISTE standard of knowledge constructor. It allows us to showcase the knowledge learning and happening, the construction and happening in action, and then you can use that tool. What I really like about this as well is you can see that I have some previous screencasts here, and I can name them and rename them. But what's really great is that it automatically goes straight to my Google Drive by default. I don't have to save it anywhere, so it goes straight into the screencast recordings. And you'll notice that I have those two in there that were in the screencast app in this my folder. And there's some other ones that I've deleted, but I still have archive of that. So I can see the screencast. I'm going to open up this one as the example. And so what's really nice is I have my video, I have a thumbnail, and then I have what's called a projector. And I don't believe I can open this up on the Chromebook, but there is a transcript of the video. So I believe that's what this is. Okay, so again, great for students to be able to easily drop into Google Classroom as a response, as their assignment, or into Schoology course as a response to their assignment. So ways to use the tool default components to continue to access instruction. Hope this is helpful, and good luck.